Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Clearco option for new e-commerce businesses. When I started my e-commerce venture and first looked into Clearco, I quickly realized that their products are essentially for businesses that already have momentum. The fundamental truth is this: Clearco is designed for scaling, not for starting. Their primary offerings, like the cash advance and invoice funding, are fantastic for established companies. The way their system works, it needs a proven track record. From my own experience and what I've seen in the community, you typically need to show consistent revenue. Often, this means a minimum of $10,000 in monthly revenue for at least 6 months. Established accounts. You need connected, functioning sales channels like Shopify, Amazon, or Stripe, so their AI can analyze your cash flow and ad spend performance. So, if you are a truly new e-commerce business, meaning you are pre-revenue or only making a few $1,000s a month, the straight-up answer is, there is no direct, best Clearco funding option for you yet. You simply won't meet their eligibility requirements for a cash advance. What you should be doing. But that doesn't mean Clearco is useless for a beginner. Here is my advice on how you can still utilize them and get ready for their funding. Use their free Insights dashboard. This is the most valuable tool for a new business. Even if you don't qualify for funding, you can connect your advertising platforms and your e-commerce store. This dashboard provides excellent, data-driven analytics. It helps you understand your profit margins and how efficiently you are spending on ads. This is critical educational material that will prepare you to be a strong applicant later. Focus on bootstrapping to the eligibility threshold. Use methods like personal savings, credit cards, or small bank loans to reach that crucial $10,000 per month mark. This is the grind phase. You need to prove your business model works. Once you qualify, go for the cash advance. If you meet their criteria, the cash advance is typically the most flexible and therefore the best option. Why? It's non-dilutive, meaning you don't give up equity, and the money is wired to your bank account with no restrictions on how you use it. You can use it for inventory, marketing, hiring, or anything else. Repayment is simple. It's a fixed percentage of your daily sales, so you pay more when you sell more and less when you sell less. In short, for new businesses, the best Clearco option is to use their free analytics tools and then graduate to the cash advance once your revenue is consistently over $10,000 a month. Don't waste time applying before you hit those metrics. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.